Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cute heart-shaped transition on CapCut PC. Now you can use white for it, but I'm just going to select this pink color. You can use any color that you want, of course. I'm just going to place it right about like here, and I'm just going to add in the heart-shaped mask, and I'm going to feather that out a little bit. And here I want to actually like scale it up. Can't really see that, so maybe like right about here. I want to scale it up like this, or right about like this much. I'm just going to add the keyframe here, and then in the beginning I'm just going to make it as small as possible. Okay, this is too small. Like this is like way too short. Again, still like super short. Okay, there we go. Then I'm just going to add in another one up here, and I'm going to make it kind of short as well. We're going to select the heart-shaped one, but we're actually going to reverse that, and I'm just going to feather it out a little bit, and we're going to size it kind of the same size as the heart shape we had before. And then here we are going to scale it up till we can't see the color anymore, like so. And that's it. Super simple. Okay, I feel like I didn't keyframe that real well. Hold on, I need to add a keyframe there first. Okay, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!